Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. The wing structure for a species of bird and a species of insect. These species both developed adaptations that enabled them to fly. These organisms developed these independently of one another, and do not share a common ancestor with wings. From the drop-down menu for each blank, to complete the sentences below, they are considered to be blank structures to one another. These adaptations are known as blank. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.